Hello artist, ever you feel like your artwork looks flat? Well, today I'm here to help you fix this by teaching about shading. The most important thing in shading is light. Everything you see is because of light, whether it's for sun, a lamp, or any type of other source. Understanding how light work will make your art look more realistic. Take a look at this ball. What do you see? Notice where lights is coming from. The lamp it's create a different shading effect, also known as volume. Let's break them down. Highlight, the brightest spot directly facing the light source. Midtone, the area slightest away from the highlight. Deep shadow, the darkest part where light does not reach. Cast shadow, that the shadow the object create on the surface. Reflected light, the stable glow in shadowed area bouncing from the background. Many beginners overlook this, but it's add depth and realism. Remember those shading technique and your art will instantly improve. Thank you for watching. If you find this helpful, like and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.